Hey guys, today we are going to be changing the cabin filter inside this 2013 BRZ. This will be a real quick video, but I just wanted to show you the other thing that I do to maintain my BRZ. So let's get started. Alright, so we are on the passenger side and we are going to take a look in here. Here is the cabin filter, cabin air filter that we have that we're going to be installing. I'll put a link to this in the description. But the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open the glove compartment and remove this door so that we can access the cabin air filter. A couple things I wanted to show you real quick under here is this point right here and this point right here. This is what hinges this door, and so as we open this door up, I know it's a little difficult to see, but we're actually going to slide these out so that this door will come down even further. And then we're also going to, inside of the glove compartment, you push in on the side here like this to pop this side out, and then you do the same on this side, and then those two latches, like I was saying, disconnect right here and right here, and then this disconnects as well from right there. Okay, so now that we have this accessed, we can see in here, we just clip both of those sides and we pull out this cabin filter. Okay, and if we notice, the airflow is going down, and this thing is super dirty. New air filter out of the box. We want to make sure the airflow is going down just like it was before, and so we are going to slide this in here just like that. Put this cover back on. Okay, now we're going to put this door back on, and like I said, the thing that we're going to check for is this actually slides onto this area right here on both of these sides, so we'll make sure to do that. Down real quick. Okay, and now we want to make sure to, so we want to make sure to get that slid on here, just like that. And so now that's on here, and we just push those tabs, will push in on themselves once we close the door, just like that. That's it. That's how you replace the cabin air filter in a 2013 BRZ. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing and especially giving it a thumbs up, because that's what gets this video out to other folks. So thanks a lot. Appreciate your support.